Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be making chicken stew, and of course I'll be starting with boiling my chicken. This chicken has already been washed, thoroughly washed, and now about to boil it. So I've added my salt. Now this is blended onions, ginger and garlic that I've added. Now I'm adding my curry, thyme, oregano, all the spices that I have. Remember, everything is in like moderate quantities, just nice enough to spice the chicken. So I have my curry, thyme, ginger, garlic. Okay, so this is coriander. So I just like to I play with those spices, and now this is me adding my seasoning cube. Yes, I love to also add white pepper and black pepper in my chicken. If you've seen my smoky jollof rice video, I think I also showed this process in that video. So this is my personal way of boiling my chicken to get a really nice stock out of it. So after putting all the spice, I like to just stir it all up to incorporate the spices and boil it for some minutes without adding water, just so the chicken would release its own water. As you can see here, I've already started boiling it with no water. So I'll give it so this chicken is called jumbo add chicken. Yeah, so after about 15 minutes now I'm adding water. So this is just my own personal preference of boiling my chicken. Please, you can do it as you want, but this is my personal favorite method. So yeah, I think this is about 20 minutes now. It's kind of hard chicken, so I have to leave it for some time. So I think I boiled it for about 30 to 40 minutes thereabout. It is soft and tender now. Yeah, so this is about 40 minutes later. You guys can see that it looks has even changed. So now I'm scooping out the chicken from the pot and sieving it so the water would come out. Now it's time to fry. I like to before frying, well, during the process of frying, I like to add onions in the oil that I'll be using to fry, just so it infuses flavor to the chicken. This is also my personal preference, but trust me, it just adds flavor to the chicken. So yeah, today I'm deciding to deep fry. Please feel free to do whatever works for you. You can decide to air fry, or you just put it in an oven, but I just want that deep frying method today. So yeah, after a few minutes you guys can see that it's already looking fried already. So I'm just going to bring this batch out and put the next batch. It's just like basic, guys. This is really basic, but I just want the video to be as what's the word now, is it extensive? You guys get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm done frying, and now this is the pepper mixture that I'll be using for my jollof rice. I'll be using long pepper, bell pepper, habanero, tomato, onions, ginger and garlic. So I like to boil mine, so I'll just wash it now and I'll boil them. Yeah, I think I lost the clip, but at least you guys can see the ginger and garlic, the pepper. So after boiling for about 30 minutes. I'll sieve out the water and allow it to cool off a bit before transferring to my blender. So yeah, please don't be like me. Make sure you use your kitchen towel when you're trying to do this so you don't burn yourself. Now it has cooled off a bit, so this is me trying to blend or blending. Yeah, this is me blending, and yeah, I just like the consistency that this method gives. So this is just my personal preference. If you like to just blend all the way, please feel free to do so. So now this is me using the same oil that I used in frying my chicken. It's still very hot, and yeah, this is me pouring the blended pepper. I like to pour it in this state where I get this vibe, like this yeah, this vibe going on. Yeah, that's what I like. I don't know, I just like it. So after pouring it, I'll cover it to boil for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'll just cover it to boil. I think this is about 15 minutes later. Now that it has started boiling, I'll start to add my seasoning. So I like putting paprika, smoked paprika, in my stew. It's just a personal preference, guys. I like the color it gives. That's just personal. And then yeah, so yeah, this is me adding oregano. I'll try to put all the spices that I used. I'll try to list them in the description box. I just hope that I remember. And yeah, when making my stew, I like to use really minimal seasoning, because I'm still going to add meat stock, and you guys know that the meat stock already has a lot of spice. So so basically that's just everything I've been using. I think I've used paprika, curry, thyme, oregano. Then this is no seasoning cube, and then after putting this, I'll cover it and allow it to keep cooking. So this is about, I think, 15 to 20 minutes later on low heat. We are really low heat. So now this is time to put my meat stock. So I put my meat stock, stir it, taste it, guys. If you notice, I've not added salt. This is also my personal way of doing things. Like I said, I like to put salt at the end, and sometimes I might not even need to add salt again. Yeah, and the taste will still be really nice because of all those seasonings already have salt. So yeah, so this particular one needed salt, that's why I added salt. And now it is time for me to put my fried chicken, and as you guys can see, the oil is already starting to come up, float up. What's that? Is it float up? Well, the oil is already coming up. You guys get what I'm saying? And that usually indicates that the your stew is already getting ready. God help me, English, it's not easy. So yeah, I just put my chicken, and I'm still going to cover it up and allow it to keep steaming. I think I also lost a clip of where I added what was it called? I can't remember, but let's just keep going. Yeah, so I'm just going to cover it up now, leave it for about 20 more minutes. You guys can see everything is already coming together. And by the way, for the oil police, wait to the end of this video. I after cooking, after the whole cooking process, I scooped out, I don't know, I'll try to show it in the video. I scooped out the excess oil from the from the stew. I scooped it out, and yeah, so yeah, we've come to the end of the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, this is where I scooped out the oil. Yeah. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.